Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 6.1. Ninth question. The length of time in minutes that a certain person speaks on the telephone is found to be random phenomenon with the probability function specified by the probability density function. They have given probability density function, that is small f of x, as f of x is equal to a e power minus x by 5 for x is greater than or equal to 0 or 0 otherwise. So straight away they have given probability density function here. Small f of x only is there. Okay. Now your first subdivision is find the value of a that makes f of x a PDF. So you'll have to find the value of a from here. Okay. Then the second part is what is the probability that the number of minutes that a person will talk over the phone is more than 10 minutes. That is your first subdivision is if he talks more than 10 minutes, what is the probability? You'll have to find it. Your second subdivision is if he talks less than 5 minutes, you'll have to find the probability. Then between 5 and 10 minutes, if he talks, then you'll have to find the probability. Okay, so in your B subdivision, 3 subdivisions are there. Okay, that is your first subdivision, second subdivision and third subdivision. So we'll just proceed it. A subdivision is you'll have to find the value of capital A. Since f of x, small f of x is a PDF, you all know what is PDF, probability density function. So I've just written PDF. Integral of minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. If f of x is PDF, your condition is minus infinity to infinity in integral f of x dx is equal to 1. Okay. So, but the limit what is given for us is x is greater than or equal to 0. So, from 0 up to infinity, because the upper limit is not given. So, we'll just go from 0 to infinity f of x dx, which is equal to 1. Now, 0 to infinity, your f of x is your function, okay, that is a e power minus x by 5 into dx is equal to 1. So the next line is, we'll just go for integration. A, you keep it as it is. So integral of e power minus x into dx is equal to e power minus x divided by minus 1 you'll get. That is, the coefficient of x has to be taken to the denominator plus c. Now you can use this formula. So since they have given e power minus factor is there, so e power minus x by 5 divided by, your coefficient of x is minus 1 divided by 5. Okay. So minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1. Your limit is from 0 to infinity. Your next line, a of this, you just take it as a reciprocal. So 5 will come out with minus. So minus 5a of e power minus x by 5. Your limit is 0 to infinity, which is equal to 1. That is equal to minus 5a is there as it is. Now you will have to substitute your infinity first, then minus e power 0. Okay. So e power minus infinity by 5 will be there. So we'll just declare it as e power minus infinity. Okay. Then minus from the format, that is f of b minus f of a. A is here 0. Okay. So e power 0 by 5. Here x is there. So minus 0 divided by 5 will be there. So straight away you can declare e power 0, which is equal to 1. So that implies minus 5a, e power minus infinity is 0. Okay, so e power infinity, the value is 0, minus e power 0, you all know it is 1. So that is equal to 1. Now that implies this part will become 0. So minus into minus will become plus 5a. Because 5a into 1 is there, so 5a, that is equal to 1. Therefore, your value of a is equal to 1 by 5. So that is the first subdivision. They have asked you to prove it. So a is equal to 1 by 5. B, first subdivision is probability that the number of minutes person will talk over the phone more than 10 minutes. So the person is, if he talks more than 10 minutes, we'll have to find the probability. Okay. So here it is probability of x is greater than equal to 10, because more than 10 minutes only they are asking. So greater than equal to 10 is only the integral will change. Okay. So 10 to infinity. So starting is from 10 up to infinity. The upper limit is not given. So we'll just go to up to infinity and your f of x dx. So that is equal to integral 10 to infinity, or f of x is nothing but your question, a e power minus x by 5 into dx. So now we have got the value of a is 1 by 5 before. So just substitute your value of a here. Okay, so integral 10 to infinity 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. So remove this 1 by 5 outside. So 1 by 5 integral 10 to infinity e power minus x by 5 into dx. This is equal to 1 by 5. Now we'll go to integration. What you have done in the first part, the same integration. Okay, so e power minus x by 5 divided by the coefficient of x is minus 1 by 5. Your limit is from 10 to infinity equal to 1 by 5. This denominator, just take it as a reciprocal, so you'll get it as minus 5 into, now substitute your upper limit, then minus lower limit. Okay, so e power minus infinity. Okay, so infinity by 5 will be anyway infinity only, then minus of, this is e power 10 is there. So, okay, so e power minus 10 by 5. So in the place of x, you will have to put your 10. Okay, so now you can cancel this 5 and 5. You will get minus 1 into e power infinity. As I have told you, it is 0 minus e power. This 10 and 5 you can cancel it. It will go 2 times. So it is minus 2. So that is equal to, your first part will become 0. Here you have got minus 1 and here 1 minus is there. So minus into minus will become plus e power minus 2. Now take this minus 2 to the denominator. So you will get it as 1 by e square. So this is the answer for your B part for subdivision. Hence, the probability of x is greater than equal to 10. That is equal to 1 by e square. B, second subdivision, the probability that the number of minutes is less than 5. It was given less than 5 minutes. So starting with will be 0, which is less than or equal to x, and less than or equal to 5, up to 5 minutes. Okay, so that is equal to, the integral is from 0 to 5 f of x dx. All the 3 conditions, only the limit will be changing. Okay, your function is same only. So that is equal to integral 0 to 5 f of x is a e power minus x by 5 into dx. So we just write the value of a, we have got it before. It is 1 by 5 integral of 0 to 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. So straight away we'll go to integration. So 1 by 5 integral is same thing what you have done, the same thing before. Okay, so e power minus x by 5 divided by the coefficient of x is minus 1 by 5. Your limit will come 0 to 5. So which is equal to 1 by 5. Take a reciprocal, you will get minus 5 e power minus x by 5. Your limit is from 0 to 5. Cancel this 5 and 5, you will get minus 1. Now substitute your limit over there, upper limit minus your lower limit. Upper is 5. So e power minus 5 by 5, in the place of x you will have to put 5, minus e power minus 0 by 5 you will get, otherwise straight away you can put 0. That is equal to minus 1 into 5 by 5 is there, so you can cancel it, you will get your 1 over there. So e power minus 1 minus, this is e power 0, okay, so e power 0. So that is equal to minus 1. This you can write it as 1 by e, because e power minus 1 is there, just bring it to the denominator to become 1 by e, minus e power 0 is 1. Now take this minus inside, so you'll get it as minus 1 by e, minus into minus will become plus, 1 into 1 is 1 itself. That is equal to, just write your positive term first, so 1 minus 1 by e. Now take your LCM, e will go there, so e minus 1 divided by e. So this is the answer for your B part, second subdivision. B, third subdivision, the probability that the number of minutes that person will talk is between 5 and 10 minutes. So probability of your 5 to 10 minutes it is asked. So 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. That is the probability of in between 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that is equal to, again your limit is 5 to 10 because you are 5 to 10. Okay, so 5 to 10 f of x dx. So it is equal to integral 5 to 10. Your f of x is your given function, a e power minus x by 5 into dx. So a we have got before, it is 1 by 5. So I will just write this 1 by 5 outside. Your integral 5 to 10 e power minus x by 5 into dx. So straight away we will go for integration. So 1 by 5 will be there outside. Your integral of e power minus x by 5 is everywhere it is same, only what you have done in the first subdivision, same thing. So e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5, that is the coefficient of x. Your limit is from 5 to 10. Equal to 1 by 5. Take a reciprocal of this, so you will get it as minus 5. And now substitute your value, okay, that is 10 minus 5 you will have to substitute it. So e power minus 10 by 5 minus, that is f of b minus f of a. In the place of a you got 5, okay, so e power minus 5 by 5. So that is equal to this and this, you can cancel it, so you will get minus 1 into 5 and 10 you can cancel it, you will get twice. 5 and 5 you can cancel it, you will get once. So e power minus 2 minus e power minus 1. Now take both the terms to the reciprocal, so minus 1 into 1 by e square minus 1 by e equal to, take this minus inside, so you will get it as minus 1 by e square, minus into minus will become plus 1 by e. Now take a positive term to the first one, that is 1 by e minus 1 by e square. Now going to your LCM, your LCM will be e square. So this has to be multiplied by e and here also by e. So you will get e minus 1. So this is the answer for your B part, third subdivision. Therefore altogether this is the answer for 9th question.